In this video, we will learn the basic features and function of the front-load FX series washing machine. First, turn on the machine by pressing the power button. Now you can see the language selection screen. Rotate the dialer to scroll with languages. Next, choose your preferred language and click on right icon to save the language. Now if your dispenser is blank, it will show a message. You can simply click on right icon to hide. If you selected the wrong language by mistake, can reset the language as well. Simply turn off the machine and then turn on again. Press the right icon when the dispenser message appears. Moving forward, click on the setting icon. Press the right icon when the message appears. Now scroll down by rotating the dialer button until you see the option with the right symbol. Click on that. And again, rotate the dialer. You will see option with the right symbol. Click on that. A pop-up will appear. Click on right icon. This will start factory reset process. Once complete, the machine will restart. And you'll see the language selection screen again. As you can see the dispenser here. Open the dispenser. You'll find two compartments, one for liquid detergent and one for fabric softener. Fill each up to the maximum level. To clean the dispenser, first press the yellow part to remove the dispenser. Now open the nozzle at the back. Clean thoroughly. And reassemble everything with the same way. If you want to use powder detergent, you can fill it here. Now let's see the more features. After turning on, the first cycle displayed is cotton, ideal for cotton clothes. Select the cycle and press start. The machine will detect the load and display the timing. To pause, press start again. To stop, move the dialer and press the right icon. Similarly, you can select other cycles depending on your needs. Now we have learned the basic features and function of the front-load FX series washing machine.